Hey guys, so today we're gonna go and try something completely new. We're gonna go and try archery. It seems pretty cool. A friend of mine, this was kind of inspired by a friend of mine, Cesar Bateo, aka Alt Media slash Today We Try. And he was supposed to come, but something came up last minute and kind of we had to bob and weave. So I'm gonna still go. But I hope you guys enjoy this episode. We're gonna try and get some wicked shots, first person angle, try and get some slow mos. Hope you enjoy. Big up. Oh, wait. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, comment, the works. Anything you really feel like doing. But yeah, you know how it go. Trying to grow a channel here. So big up. Thank you. Me and him.
I'm Kyle. I'm Kyle Wright.
Alright, so that's Kyle Wright, guys, and we're out there. We're at the JRA. These are the targets. Those are the bows. Trying a thing.
Trying a thing, and trust me, the further you shoot, from hitting 5 to 10 to 18 to 30, or you
Gets
hit
a lot more
center,
complete.
the addiction hits strong.
Sound good, sound good.
More force behind your file. So what you're wanting to do is, when you reach back up to your ankle, you always want to follow through straight to your ear. It's kind of like when you put two of your fingers together, you want to almost feel that tension,
The tension
and
building
then feel
up.
it slowly roll off.
So it's a roll off kind of motion
Roll off kind of motion, follow through is always well, and proper posture.
and pop up posture.
Because what you're trying to always form is like a T.
A T.
So complete T, head straight from your ankle, follow through.
Okay.
But right now, as I said,
Just try to hit the
just
target.
trying to hit the target, guys.
Sounds good. Not bad.
Alright, so you're going to end up probably clicking to your right.
Yeah, man. I done my arrow, so. Well.
So hard to keep going.
Mm-hmm.
Pull the trigger and pray and hope the bullet hits.
And I just for win.
I'm saying.
little high. Release. Well, the grouping no bad. My friend Cesar did this last week and the week before. Just come back. It hit the arm.
Yeah, he did a free shot and it's collected.
Nice. Grouping look good. Get our next shot still. No, go on, bud. Alright. So this is Kevin and him kill them till them dead. I don't know if you can see that, but let's walk over and show because there's a ceasefire. He got 3 headshots, one straight through the eye, one to the eye as well, and the grouping is sick. Yeah, go on, Kevin.
This was the first one. And then
Haircut.
the other 2 was just.
Yeah, man. Kevin, go on, man. Kevin. What you say? Robin Hood last night. Inspire. Big up, man. Big up.
Wait, these 3 are mine?
I think, yeah.
And these 2 are yours?
Bam, bam, bam. I got 2 bullseyes even though I was aiming at the mosquito.
And I got these. Okay. I was like, oh.
Xavier, go on though, man. You're in at the range,
man. Can go on.
Yeah.
I'll take this dub.
Hey guys, so this is Paige, one of the instructors. He good coach. He made me hit a bullseye earlier. You see me? I had another good coach. That's Shane.
Oh, Kyle?
Kyle. Yeah, man. Everywhere.
So,
Fun time.
Alright.
Thanks for having us, man. Hey guys, so I just had a blast. It was really fun. We're at Jamaican Rifle Association. It's $1,000 to go. Really affordable, really easy, really cool. The instructors are good. You had Kyle, I don't remember the other one, but they were good. They showed you little things that make you hit the target like that. And yeah, it was fun. Let me know in the comments if you want to do something else. What else I should video? Should I go and look for a waterfall? Should I go and do some more surf clips? More kickboxing? Just let me know. I could do a plastic video, a stock video. Let me know. A how-to of some sort. But drop it in the comments. And don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, share the works. Enough love. Up top.